Hello guys, I'm Tafana Citra Rahzisa and I'm student in Institut Prima Bangsa Cirebon. My major is English Literature. So in this video, I want to tell you about what is the linking sound and how to pronounce linking sound. So linking sound is how you connected word when you speak so that two words are pronounced together. There are three types basic of linking sound. First is consonant to consonant, second is vowel to vowel, and the last one is consonant to vowels. As you know, there are three types basic of linking sound, but in this video, I just wanna focus on one basic linking sound. There are linking sound consonant to consonant. Okay, before we start, did you know that the difference from vowels and consonant? Okay, if you don't know, here is the difference. So the vowels is A, I, E, U, and O, and the consonant is P, F, G, H, and others. Okay, let's move to the first material is about linking sound consonant to consonant. So, what is the meaning linking sound consonant to consonant? The meaning is when one word ends with a consonant sound and next word start with the same consonant, we link the sounds. For the example, is that time. Nah, when you say that time, you just say one pronounce there, ch, and the two words share the ch like sound that time, not that time but that time. Okay, understand? Can you try it? Okay, second example is red dress. Okay, this sentence have two the sounds together. They sounds together. So the words share the sounds like red dress, not red dress but red dress. Okay, can you just say this sentence? Okay, repeat after me. Okay, first sentence is that time. Okay, good. Next sentence is red dress. Good. Next is good day. Good. Next is real life. Real life. Good. And the last sentence is cheap price. Cheap price. Okay, good. So remember that if you're not sure, just try and say the words quickly and fluently. Pause this video if you want to think about it. So now you know all the ways to link word in English. Remember that linking sound is supposed to make speaking easier, not harder. So you just practice and more practice. At the end of this lesson, I hope you can understand this material easily, and thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.